Hey guys, this is Avery, DJI Mobile, and this is the Osmo Mobile 2. It's only $129 and it's a great way to get steady video of your family, friends, or yourself if you want to use a selfie mode. All you need to do is tap in the DJI app and you can see yourself, and this is a really good solution if you are vlogging or trying to send messages home from a vacation. The reason it's good is because unlike holding out your arm or a selfie stick, is you can actually shake this thing around pretty good and the camera stays steady. So this is great, especially if you're recording video while you're moving, such as walking down a trail, trying to show somebody your vacation. You don't get that bouncy cam. If we go ahead and switch back to the other web, you can also have a whole bunch of modes of tracking faces and doing a bunch of other tricks. This is not the typical iPhone app, so there's a lot more functionality to this. You can do fun things like taking time lapses, and if you link it up with other accessories, you can do some really fun stuff, like getting steady videos on the go with sliders. So it's not a professional device. It is meant for consumers, maybe people that are just starting out a YouTube channel. So at $129, this is one of my top picks for mobile photography and videography.